Hi guys, do you want to make sure your previous photos are backed up and safe? Google Photos makes it easy to automatically back up all your photos and videos at once. So first, open your Google Photos app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to open the menu and select Photo Settings. Then select Backup from the list of options. Okay. Make sure the backup and sync toggle is turned on to automatically back up your photos and videos. And if you want to change the quality of your backups, tap on the backup quality option and select storage, saver, or original. You can also select backup device folders to automatically back up photos and videos from other apps on your device. And if you're worried about using too much data, you can also select mobile data usage to control when and how your photos and videos are backed up. And that's it. All your Google Photos will now automatically back up all your photos and videos. So don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Bye!